The repair process wasn't built for today's fleets. It was designed for one vehicle at a time, with a clipboard, a phone call, and a few sticky notes. But fleets don't move one vehicle at a time. They move hundreds, thousands, and that old repair process can't keep up. Too many vendors, too many systems, too much downtime. That's why we built ServiceUp, the repair platform for the modern fleet. One place to manage collision, mechanical, and maintenance. AI-powered automation speeds approvals, connects shops, and keeps vehicles moving. Want it totally off your plate? With one tap, our fully managed option handles it all. Pickup, delivery, coordination, all handled. However you run repairs, it's all here. More control, more efficiency, more road time. ServiceUp, the future of fleet repair.